Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how AI can redefine the way we work? Today, we're diving into Microsoft's game-changing update to their 365 Copilot that brings AI agents and a host of new features to the table. Stay tuned because you're about to get the inside scoop on the future of business productivity. Microsoft has unveiled significant updates to its 365 Copilot product, introducing AI agents designed to execute a range of tasks across both Microsoft and third-party applications. This move comes as the competition to make AI more useful in business intensifies. Microsoft is now the second major business software vendor to introduce AI agents, following closely behind Salesforce. These AI-driven tools can handle everything from answering customer queries to analyzing sales data. This intensifying battle for AI supremacy among tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Apple could redefine how we interact with technology. Let's break down the new updates in Microsoft 365 Copilot. From AI-driven summarizations in Teams and Python coding in Excel, to narrative builder in PowerPoint and a more personalized email prioritization in Outlook, these features aim to streamline workflows and boost productivity. Microsoft has also launched BizChat, a new collaborative workspace that allows human coworkers and AI agents to interact seamlessly. Think of it as a digital corkboard where various files can be posted, shared, and edited in real time. Despite these exciting advancements, some businesses are hesitant to justify the $30 per user per month subscription. Microsoft has been proactive, though, rolling out over 700 updates based on customer feedback to ensure they hit that productivity spark. In conclusion, Microsoft's latest AI updates for 365 Copilot promise to revolutionize how we work, adding immense value by automating and streamlining tasks. However, the road to adoption will require demonstrating clear, tangible benefits and ensuring robust data privacy protections. If you found this deep dive into Microsoft's latest AI advancements insightful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments, how do you see AI changing the way you work?